Welcome to Northland Plastic Surgery. I'm Rachael, the clinic administrator, and I'd love to give you a tour of our office. You'll know you're in the right place in the building when you see our sign on the wall. Please join me. We are in Suite 109. We have a lobby set up here for your comfort. We've got a fireplace. If it's a cold day, we'll have the heat in there coming out to keep you warm. We have a comment box. We really do appreciate patient feedback. Please do offer us some when you're done. We have our products here in the display. We also have a fantastic front office team of Angie and Sabrina to welcome you and make you feel comfortable through the registration process and anything else that you have questions about, they are able to help you with. If you're here to see one of our surgeons, we would take you down this first hall here. On the wall right away, you see a photo of our surgeons. We also have brochures about the various procedures that we offer, so that you can take information home with you about what you came in for or maybe something else that you've been curious about. We have 7 exam rooms as we head down this way. We have room for you and a guest if you choose to bring someone with you to your appointment. If you are here for a post-operative appointment, we have a comfortable chair that you can sit in while we take care of removing sutures or doing anything else that you may require post-operatively. As we walk through them, we have more exam rooms. We have our nursing station. Our clinical team who assists the surgeons work out of this area, and they're here close to all the exam rooms so that they can help you through any step of your appointment. Many of our patients require photos pre-surgery that we can send to their insurance for prior authorizations. We have a private photo room that you can go into. We have doors from the exam rooms into the photo room, so you never have to walk into the hallway with your gown on. After your appointment with one of our surgeons, if it makes sense for you to be a surgery patient with us, you would meet with Becca, our surgery scheduler. Follow me. You would leave your exam room, and Becca's office is right here. She is our surgery scheduler, and she is the one who helps patients schedule their surgeries at the hospital or surgery center of your choosing. If you're here to see Artie in our skincare center, we would bring you this way. Come join me and we'll walk towards her office space. You would see the display of our products. Our Northland Plastic Surgery Superior Skincare line, our Obagi Medical line, and also Clinicians Complex. As we walk towards her treatment room, you can see the Skincare Center sign at the end of the hall. This sign has a lot of meaning to us. We've had this sign for many, many years. It was gifted to us. And every time our office has gone through a refresh, or in this case, a new location, we have repainted the sign to match. We appreciate so much this sign and all that it means to us. This is our Skincare Center treatment room. We offer natural lighting. We have a very comfortable bed that's even heated. It's really easy to take a nap in here when you're getting your treatment. We offer microdermabrasions. We offer skin pen microneedling. We offer peels, whether a TCA acid peel or a lighter peel. We do the lamp probe. We offer products and Jane Iredale mineral makeup. So this is where Artie, our advanced practice esthetician, would offer her services for you. Thank you for joining us at Northland Plastic Surgery. We hope to see you in person soon.